Hey guys, it's Miss Meyers. I'm going to show you how to make your transformation art, and I'm going to show you how to fold your paper to do so. This is what it's going to look like at the finished result. These are all the different lines we're folding. I'm about to show you step by step how to do each of those. First things first, you can grab a piece of paper. It can be whatever color you want. I had white handy, so that's why I'm choosing white. I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to fold it hamburger style. Make sure when you're folding, you bring the corners up so that they are even with each other. You don't want your paper to be wonky or it'll mess up your fold. So try and be patient, line up those corners, bring your finger down and make a nice strong crease. Now throughout this video, I personally like to fold my crease in the opposite direction. So I go back, I run my finger from one side all the way to the other side. I open it up, I can fold it again, just to make sure that crease is strong and it is able to open from both directions. Once I'm here, I open it back up. This is the line that we just made. So that's what I need your paper to look like right now. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this corner and I'm going to bring it to the middle. So I'm going to take this edge, I'm going to line up my corners to this middle line. I don't want to cross the line. I want to go right as close as I can next to it. I bring my finger down, pinch, pinch, make that crease nice and tight. Remember, I like to flip my paper and I want that crease to be extra strong, so I'm going to flip it on the back side, making sure to run my finger firmly against the crease, okay? So what your paper should look like right now is a fold down the middle and a fold right there. Now I'm using a marker to make sure that you guys are clear about what your fold and what your paper should look like right now, but you do not need to do this. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. Take the bottom corner, fold it up please to the middle line. Remember, I don't wanna cross it. I want to go right underneath it. Make sure that your corners aren't wonky. We want them to be lined up with the paper. I bring my finger down, crease, crease, flip it, crease, crease, make that nice and strong. Okay, so right now at this moment, your paper should look like, should have 3 crease lines and 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, we're halfway done. I want you to now take your paper and we're gonna fold it hot dog style. So please bring your corners, match them up, take your finger down, make a strong crease line. Once I've done that, I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna flip it to the back side, line those corners up, crease it again to make that crease line strong. Open it up. Now your paper should have this many crease lines. All right, now we're gonna take this side and we're gonna fold it to that new crease line that we just made. So take these bottom corners, line it up next to that line, not on top of it, just next to it. Make sure those edges are lined up with the paper. Crease, crease, flip it, crease, crease, open it up. You should have that line done. We're gonna do the exact same thing to this side. I'm gonna take the ends of my corners, bring it up to that crease line, make a nice, crisp, clean crease, flip it, do it again. Okay. Now your paper should have this many creases. Remember, don't draw on it with marker. I'm just showing you guys that in case the video isn't clear. From this point, you guys are gonna fold these 2 hamburger style creases in to the middle, okay? And then you're gonna take this bottom, you're gonna bring it up to this middle point, and this one's gonna fold down, And there you go. You'll draw a picture on this side, you'll fold it up, or you can fold it down. And the idea is if I have a funky heart shape, I'm gonna open it up. What can I turn this into? Maybe it is a goldfish or something like that. Obviously not a great drawing, but that's fine. What I want you guys to do is be creative. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? I'm gonna open it back up. I would finish this drawing off. What could this be? Maybe it's one of those cool snow globes, okay? I would draw my details, the snow coming down, etc. You would open it up here. Hopefully you wouldn't have these marker lines, and you would figure out, what could this picture be? What could I turn it into on this other half? All right, and then once you'd finish this side, I'll open it up. I'll have a whole picture that covers this, and you'll be done. And that's how you complete your folding art masterpiece. Alrighty, good luck. Email me if you have any questions. Thanks.